and welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can auto update your Google Sheets with the live data. So here on my screen you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name Digital Dynamics, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So basically my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then instantly that lead should be added as a new row in my Google Sheets. So here for an example, I'm going to take the live data for my lead. But similarly, you can update your live data such as payment information, order information, form responses, and many more. Alright, so in this video, we are going to see how you can automatically update your live lead data in your Google Sheets without doing anything manually. Alright, so here to automate the entire process, I have already built a connection between my Facebook lead ad and my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now firstly in this video, I'm going to show you that how actually this automation works for my own business. So as you all know that I'm running a Facebook lead ad on my Facebook page, that is Digital Dynamics. So here to see the working of this automation, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to generate a test lead inside my Facebook lead ad. And here to do so, we are going to use a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here on my screen, you can see my lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've already selected my page, product, and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as first name, last name, email, and the phone number. So we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have instantly added a new data in our Google Sheet where we have received the name, email, and the phone number of our lead. So this was the magic of this amazing automation that I've already created to auto update my Google Sheet whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows, and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster, and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says auto update Google Sheets with live data, and for the folder I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and I'm going to select my folder as Google Sheets. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn my hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action step. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my action as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. Then we're going to click on this continue. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your account, or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Then it is asking for the page name and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select my page over here. And for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So this is my Meta Business Suite, and from here we're going to select all tools, and under this we are going to select instant forms. Now here in this lead ads form, you can see the multiple forms that I've created with different names. So in this case, I'm going to use my form as new lead ads form. You can create your own lead ad form as per your requirement. Alright, let's move back to the Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple organized format. But if you want to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, now I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission by generating a test lead inside our Facebook lead ads once again. So for that, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is my lead ads testing. So this is my tool, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, so again we are going to select our page, form and the product. So for the page, I've selected my Digital Dynamics page. Here I'm going to select my product and my form as new lead ads form. Then we are going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details. So for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number, I'm going to add a random phone number. Then you're going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received the lead, then I want to update that data in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets, and my app event as add new row. Then we're going to click on this connect. Again, here we're going to build a new connection, and then we're going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. And then it is asking us to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name new Facebook leads. So I'm going to select the same over here. And then here for the sheet, I'm going to select sheet 1, and then it is asking us to add the name, email and the phone number. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means it's the data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when we're going to receive a new lead through a lead ad, then instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, we are going to map the first name, then we're going to enter a space, and then here we're going to map the last name. Here for the email address, we are going to map the email address, and lastly here we're going to map the phone number. Now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new detail in our Google Sheets. So now let's go and check it, and here you can see instantly we have added a new data in our Google Sheets. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets, so that we're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ad. Then instantly that is going to get updated in our Google Sheets as well. Alright, so these were the steps to how to auto update Google Sheets with live data. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.